Does your computer take a long time in booting up? I'm going to show you how you can disable startup programs, and that should help improve the speed of your computer. Alright, let's fix it in Windows 10. In your taskbar, type in startup apps and then click on the best match. With the startup apps, you can see all the different apps that start up when you boot up your computer. On the right hand side, you can also see what type of impact it has on the startup time. Have no impact or higher impact. You can click on this toggle to turn an app on or off. Once you are done with all, you can simply close this window and restart the PC. To see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe.
Hide your desktop icons to have an empty screen. Right click on your desktop, view and show desktop icons. Follow us for more, and thanks for watching. Moving your taskbar from one end of your screen to the other is a very easy task to do on Windows 10. To do this, right click on your taskbar, click on lock the taskbar. Now you can click on it, left click on it, and you can move it to the right, move it to the top, move it to the left, and you can bring it back. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus I. On the settings, click on personalization. Under personalization, click on colors, and under colors, choose color, select dark, and that is how to switch into dark mode in Windows 10. Follow us for more videos like this. Turn off all unnecessary apps which are running on your background when you power on your machine. Click on your start, go to your settings, and under settings, click on privacy. On privacy, scroll down and select background apps. Once it is on, turn it off to turn off all unnecessary apps which are running without your notice. That is how to speed up your PC. Follow for more videos like this. To auto hide your taskbar in Windows 10, right click on your taskbar and click on taskbar settings. Now on taskbar settings, turn on automatic hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Close this and move to the taskbar. Click on your desktop. You can see it is hidden. That is how to auto hide your taskbar in Windows 10. Follow us for more videos. Add a search box if you don't have it on your taskbar. Right click on the taskbar, click on search and select show search box. Below you can see you can search anything from your computer. Follow us for more videos, and thanks for watching. To make Google Chrome as your default browser, on your keyboard press Windows key plus I to open the settings, and under the settings come to apps. On the apps, click on default apps and scroll down and you can see web browser. So click on web browser and choose Google Chrome. That is how to change your default browser to Chrome. Follow us for more videos.
Anytime that you want to shut down your PC, you go to start, click on it, on power button, then click on shutdown. If you are the lazy type, it becomes boring, right? Don't worry, stick with me and I will give you a shortcut trick to shut down your PC within just a second. Right click on your desktop, click on new. Now select shortcut, type in shutdown space dash s space dash t space 0. Click on next and finish. If you double click on it, the PC will shut down, but before we do that, let's give it a logo. Right click on the file and select properties, click on change icon. Now select your preferred icon and apply. So let's drag it here, double click on it, and as you can see, our PC is shutting down. That is just a simple trick to shut down your PC.
Pin an app on taskbar for easy access. Right click on the app and click on pin to taskbar, and this is the app, so click on it to open. Follow us for more videos. Add a shortcut keyboard on your taskbar if you are using a touch screen for easy access on the keyboard. Right click on the taskbar, click on show touch keyboard button. below here is the touch keyboard. Click on that and this is how it displays. Use this key to customize the keyboard. Follow us for more videos and thanks for watching. Moving your taskbar in Windows 10 is one of the very easy tasks to perform. To achieve this, right click on your taskbar and select lock the taskbar. After that, left click on the taskbar. You can move it to the right, move it to the top, move it to your left, and move it back to its final destination. It is that easy. Follow us for more. How to create a password on your computer in Windows 10. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus I to open the settings, and under the settings, click on account. On account, click on sign in option, and these are the options to create your password. So click on password and click on add. So type in your password, confirm the password, and type in your hint. Follow us for more. That is how to create a password. Turn off apps which auto start when you power on your PC to make the PC faster. Click on your start, go to your settings, click on apps, and click on startup. And these are all the apps which start automatic when you first power on your PC. Turn them off to speed up your PC. Follow us for more videos and thanks for watching.
In Windows 8, you can view or hide your desktop icons on the desktop. So let's see how to do it. Right click on the desktop, select view and show desktop icons, and they are hidden. You see on the screen, they are all hidden. You want them to show again. Right click on the desktop, view, and then show desktop icons, and they are back again. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. This is Windows 11, and let's see how to display or show desktop icons on the desktop. Now right click on the desktop, select view, and choose show desktop icons. And now the desktop icons are hidden. You want to see them back again? Right click on the desktop, select view, and choose show desktop icons again. Now you can see them on the desktop. If you want to see this on Windows 10, 8 or 7, check in the description below and leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.